Good morning, guys. Just walking up to the property now. A few things to update on this morning. We have dug trenches to move over the hydro. Oh no, that's not good. I just noticed our eaves trough is running right into our trench. So anyways, we got the hydro box and everything torn down. We dug up where the hydro line was, right back to that point there, as the hydro comes from the pole around our stake, and then this way, and that's where our temp service was. So we dug it back up, found the lines, and then we dug a new trench to here and moved the meter box over, and the hydro lines, the power lines from the pole, they actually hooked them into the meter base, and then these are our wires, and they run along and go into the house where the electrical panel is in the house. So I guess my first task before I update you on everything, I'm gonna get the eaves trough back on with the elbow and point it that way away from the trench, because it is supposed to rain all day and obviously we can't have this. So I'm gonna get to that now. Now to find that eaves trough, where would it be? There it is. So last time I saw you, you saw that we finished Damien's ceiling and the spare room is now complete, and also almost baby girl's room. Got one more sheet to go up. And then in the garage, I showed you that the gable truss is almost complete. There's a few sheets missing, but also Matthew got these two walls drywalled as well. Okay, so we had to add a little piece there because we didn't have enough length. So we did that this morning. We put the wires into the house, and now we're packing around the pipe with sand, and I got a hammer and I'm going along and packing it, and then using my hand to tamp it in underneath the pipe, and then I just take my hand and run it along to clean it off so that they can see the pipe. Okay, before I slip, we are all done. We kind of put plywood over, Kyle put plywood over, so that hopefully the water kind of runs away from the trench. I'm going to try and head home and get some coffees for everybody, because it is not nice out. Rainy, I got water drips on my head. Anyways, I'm gonna go home and get some coffee. We hooked up the wires to the service panel inside, and I talked to ESA, Electrical Safety Authority. They are coming to inspect it, the trench and everything, and the service from the meter to the panel tomorrow, hopefully first thing in the morning because of the rain. And then as soon as we get approval for that, we will be able to fill it in and go from there. So Matthew has started drywall again, and we'll hopefully get a lot of drywall done today. There's a few things I need to do for electrical tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna get undressed and then get some coffees. So I got the door for the panel, and I knocked out all the sections where the breakers go, and then we put the little lock, and then in behind the actual power wires that come in from outside are all hooked up. I forgot to show you before we put the door on, but so these are all good, and that's where there's no breaker. And I accidentally knocked the wrong ones out on this side, but there's actually little black covers that go in there, and we have two of those, so I'll be putting those in there. But that's our panel. So we're up on the scaffolding in the garage, putting up some vapor bear. We're underneath where the drywall is gonna go. You can't not smile. I just oh, loser. he tries to be all mad and angry. Don't crack it. Holy.
Oh, there's nothing there. Oh, that was close.
Hold his overall. Yeah.
Lifeline kind of thing.
Out of staples? Oh.
No, I just keep missing. There.
Could be 200.
Shut up. I'll get it.
The wind's helping. Oh, it's coming down. That was pretty cool.
Do you want me to put this in around the other side?
Sorry?
Against the wall?
Yeah, if you put it in the center first. Yep. I can reach half and half kind of thing.
Yeah, his arms will reach the 6'8".
You gotta bring it home.
Whoa. Oh, is that scary?
Just a little bit.
Okay, well, don't move.
I'm not.
You know what's even scarier to me?
What? Really?
Hello?
Really?
Hello? Right there, Dad. Wherever you want there.
That's all I got.
Hey, will that work?
Go ahead.
Holy crap, look at that.
You're gonna get the waves too high?
Nope. Timothy.
Right here. What do you want? Push? You want me to push against you?
Yeah.
Do you want me to push against them?
No, I'm good. Is that good, Matthew?
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. I have been all over the country this morning already looking for a cap for our meter base because we have the knockout here and I had ordered a weatherproof one and I got to where I ordered it, which was like 40 minutes from here. I left at like 20 after 6 and they didn't end up getting it in. So it was kind of a waste of a drive there, but we have our inspection today. So I do have the paperwork showing that we ordered the weatherproof one. They just gave us the regular one for now to hold us over. So hopefully he'll pass. But we have plywood all over our trench. We sometimes pumped out the trench already once, refixed the sand and stuff. Hopefully he'll understand. So I also put in some putty in the electrical panel. I'll show you in a second. So I'm able to show you now. This is where the service wires come in from the meter base, and I put this putty stuff around. It's called duct seal. So it's just a putty that will help seal it off. So he'll be coming to inspect those wires and the putty there. And then he'll come to inspect outside as well. First sheet going up on the ceiling in the garage. It's not easy. Thankfully, it's only 3 sheets on the ceiling. The rest of the garage doesn't have to be done. Everything's so much harder working that high up. They did get, oh, I guess I should go from this side.
Demonetized.
They did the half of the cathedral ceiling yesterday. I was here for the first 2 sheets and then I went and picked up Sophia from school. So hopefully today we're gonna start working on this side. It's gonna be a little bit more difficult because we have a wall underneath and then the fireplace as well. So here you can see that we just took the 10-foot sheet and let it hang down, and then we'll do a string line across, a chalk line, and have a straight line and cut it off after. But this here, because we have the wall, well, we're unable to do that. So we're gonna have to cut the sheets as we go and cut around the fireplace and stuff like that. So looks like that. Cathedral has all the drywall up.